Hello students, today I am going to explain you what are the class variables and object variables in Python. So till now we have seen that object oriented programming allows variables to be used at the class level and object level. So variables as we know that are nothing but a place where you store a value so that later on you can use that value or you can fetch that value for your purpose. So there are basically two types of variables defined inside the class. So the first one is class variable and another one is object variable. So as the name indicates, class variables are owned by the class and object variables are owned by the object only. So let's discuss both the variables one by one. So firstly we'll discuss the class variable. So class variables are defined within the class construction because they are owned by the class itself, and the class variables are shared by all the objects of the class or all the instance of the class. So suppose if I have designed or if I have created 10 objects of the class, so the class variable would be accessed by all the 10 objects of that class. There are usually used to keep a count of numbers of object created from a class. Okay, so a class variable must be prefixed by a class name or a dot operator. The class variable will generally have the same value for every object unless you are using the class variable to initialize the variable. So for every object the class variable value will remain same. Okay, so there exists a single copy of class variable. Any change made to that class variable by an object will be reflected in all other objects. So now let's discuss the instance object, or it is known as object variable or instance variable. Okay, so object variables are also known as instance variable in Python. They are known as instance variable because they are owned by the object of the class. This means that for each object or instance of a class, the object variables are different. So if there are 10 classes, so all the 10 objects will be different, and if there is only one class but 10 objects, so every object will have a different value. So unlike class variable, object variables are defined within methods. As the class variables are defined inside the class, object variables are defined inside the method. The object variable is not shared between the objects. A change made to the object variable by one object will not affect the other objects. Okay, so as we have discussed what are the object variable, what are the class variable. So actually I have already told you about the class variable and object variable in the earlier lectures. We have discussed these things, but now let's discuss this separately. Okay, so this is the very basic example of class and object variable. So we have taken a class student. So this variable, because of this variable is defined inside this class. Okay, so the var1 is nothing but the class variable, and def init self var student dot var1 is student assigned by var1 plus 1. So each time when the object is created, the class variable value increases, but this is not the object variable. The object variable is nothing but the var. Okay, so self dot var assigned by var, this is what you call object variable. So the variable defined inside the method is known as object variable, and the variable defined inside the class is known as class variable. Okay, so this is the very basic and simple example of class and object variable. So let's go back to the Jupyter notebook. So here I'll explain you everything in detail and separately. So first of all, I am going to explain you what is class variable. Okay, suppose I have taken a class ABC. Okay, and here I have defined x assigned by 40. Oops, x assigned by 40. So x is nothing but the class variable. When I create the object of this class, so A is ABC. Okay, so when I call print A dot x, so this is how it is going to display the value of class variable. Okay, So let's discuss separately what are the object variables. So as I told you, the variables declared or defined inside the method is known as object variable. Okay, so class, person, def underscore def underscore underscore init underscore underscore self comma a comma b. Okay, so here a comma b are nothing but the object variable, okay, or instance variable. So self dot a assigned by a, self dot b assigned by b, and let's def and sorry self. So here I am going to add these. So I am going to write return return self dot a plus self dot b. Okay, and now I need to create the object of this class. So p1 assigned by person, and the value of both 10 comma 20, and p1 dot add. So I need to write print p1 dot add. So when you are going to run this, it is going to display 30. So this is the very basic example of class variable and object variable. A variable defined inside the class is class variable, and a variable defined inside the method is instance variable. Okay, so let's take one example where I am going to give both the class variable and instance variable. Okay, so let's take example of class and object variable. Suppose I have a class called car. Okay, and here company underscore name is Audi. Okay, so let's say Audi, and def. You have to make sure that whatever you are going to write inside the class, it should be properly indented. If your indentation is not proper, it is going to give you error. Okay, so you need to check that your indentation is properly in every line of your, or in every statement of your body of class. Okay, so def underscore underscore init underscore underscore. So here self dot comma model comma color. Okay, so sorry, self dot model assigned by model, self dot color assigned by color, def show. So here I have given a reference through self. Okay, print model is model of car is self dot model, and print color of car is comma self dot color. Okay, so let's make object of this class C1 assigned by CAR. So let's take Q7 is the latest model of Audi and its color is always black. And now you want to print the company name. So because company name is nothing but the class variable, so you are going to call it like this: print name of company is C1 dot company underscore name. Okay, and now C1 dot show. So when you run this code, sorry, C1 dot, oops, I need to write comma here. Oops, C, because the company name has C in capital letters, so when I write C in small letters, it's going to give you error. So you have to write C in capital letters. Okay, you have to make sure that Python is whenever you are going to write any word in capital or small, it is going to take it differently. Okay, so here I have taken a class car. Company name is nothing but the class variable because Python is case sensitive language. So here I have given C capital, so I have to give C capital here. Okay, so INIT. So model and color are the object variable and company name is the class variable. So this is how you call the class variable and this is how you call the object variable. This is it, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you have learned it properly and I hope you have understood it properly. Thank you.